In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure the distance between two places in Google Maps. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Maps application, and then you need to select the starting point on the screen of where you want to measure the distance. So I'm just going to zoom into this road here and tap the screen to create my first marker. Once you have a pin on the map, you can click on Measure Distance from the navigation, and now we can zoom out and move this black marker to where we want to measure the distance to. Once you've selected your second destination, you'll see the distance in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. So for this current location, the distance is 0.7 miles. If you want to check the distance between multiple places, then you can select Add Point in the bottom right-hand side, and then you can start dragging the black marker again to create your third point on the map. You can do this multiple times just by continually pressing Add Point and creating a collection of places on the map that we want to measure. Now this only measures distance in a straight line and doesn't account for any traffic or roads. If you want to measure the distance by roads, say for instance you're traveling by car, then we can just come back out of this menu, use the search box to type in the destination that you want to measure, select your location from the list, and then press Directions. If you want to change your starting location, you can do so by clicking on your location and typing in the starting point, select your starting point from the list, and as you can see, the distance between these two locations is 5.8 miles following the typical driving route. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.